Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. This video is about the pronunciation of another one of the stars in the Matariki cluster. U-ru-ra-ngi. So I've already given you the breaks after every vowel. There's a little bit of r going on, so it's a good practice for the r sound. U-ru-ra-ngi. Rangi. Rangi being about the sky. So rangi and uru. So uru, you might know one of the meanings for uru is about west, and this is referring to west wind perhaps, or just winds in general. So the winds of the sky. And ururangi, back in the day, i Nehera, was a star that the tupuna would look to predict the winds for the year ahead. So this is ururangi. So the stars each had their own particular messages to bring, and so ururangi's message was about what could be expected with the wind in the upcoming year. That's my understanding anyway, but the meaning is about the winds of the sky. Ka kite.